So I've been coaching and playing soccer with my son ever since he's little. We headed out today and he worked on shooting. We're definitely focusing on low drives. So I'm pointing out the part of the foot to use. There you can see a close up. It's fun to go to the games and all, but even more than that, it's nice to have something in common to do together. So Daniel's in eighth grade right now, and at the time of this recording. And one of the things we did together is I took him to a college identification camp at Starfire, and he did really well there. Here's an example of one of the goals he scored in training. And for me, this is really rewarding because this is an example of when all that practice pays off.
Sweet.